morning, students. We are studied about our country India in social study. So let's take the revision. India is located in the southern part of continent. Okay, north to south it stretches 3214 kilometer, and east to west it stretches 2933 kilometers. Okay, India is the seventh largest country in the world, and India touched the border of 9 countries, in which 7 countries touch the border of the land, and 2 countries, which is Sri Lanka and Maldives, they are the neighboring countries. Okay, now we studied about the physical features of India. Physical features are related to the green area, green area. Okay, green area means plains, plateau, river, sea, mountain, hills, they are the green area. The southern part of India is a peninsula which is surrounded by river. We also called it coastal area. And the southern part of India is touched by the 3 oceans. In east, Bay of Bengal, in west, Arabian Sea, and south, Indian Ocean. Okay, so the Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the India mainland, and Indira Point is the southernmost tip of the island. Okay, so now come to the political division. What is the political division? Political division means India is a huge country, and it has the second largest population in the world. What do you understand by the political division? Political division से आप क्या समझते हैं? तो political division is related to the state government and the policy for the government, and how we make policy and how we regulate the policy means जैसे कि आप क्लास में रहते हैं, हमारे स्कूल में बहुत सारी पॉलिसीज़, बहुत सारे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस बने हुए हैं. सो वैसे ही हमारे देश में, इन आवर कंट्री, देयर इज़ द मिनिस्टर, देयर इज़ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर हु makes the law for the all over country. That's why this thing comes in the political things. Things comes in the political division. So there is the 2 division in India. First is the physical division, and second is the political division. So physical features mean, physical division means the green area, plateau, mountain, river, and plains. And the political division is related to the policy, state government, and public government policy, and the parts of the political. Okay, so there are so many laws, there are so many policies which are executed by the government. Okay, so India is the second largest populated country in the world. Which is the first? Now tell me the answer. Which is the first? China. Yes, the China is the first populated country. Now India is large country for better ruling. हमें इंडिया को अच्छे से चलाने के लिए वहाँ पे जितने भी गवर्नमेंट ने लॉज, नियम बनाए हैं, वो हर जगह पर अच्छे से क्या हो, रूल्ड हो, अच्छे से चलें, रन करें उनके सारे रूल्स. दैट्स वाई वी डिवाइडेड द स्टेट्स, we divided the India into 2 parts. First is the state and second is the union territory. So how many states are there? 26 states and 29 states and the 7 union territories. But now in this time, how many union territories are there? 9 union territories are there after the abolition of 370 article. 370 article is related to the Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, we talk it about later. Now come to the main point. Union territory are डायरेक्ट कंट्रोल बाय द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. यूनियन टेरिटरी को कौन कंट्रोल करता है? सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. ओके,